Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. I'm back at you with another video. It's a very windy Saturday. The Santa Ana winds are kicking up, but we got work to do. I got all these greens that I need to see. My camera almost blew over. I got all these greens that I need to harvest, and I'm have my little assistant with me, and we were gonna harvest up these greens. We're gonna clear this bed out to get ready for the new bed that we have coming in. I can't wait to share that new bed with you. You know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Matter of fact, don't even have to worry about subscribing. Share out the video, like the video, and enjoy where you are. No. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm just joking. Don't listen to me. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, your Cali Bro J, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. Let's go. All right, guys, this is the progression of what's going on so far. This is just a backyard, so imagine having acres and acres of land. Guys, this is a lot of work just for a backyard gardener.